And here's how to clear all of your cPanel cache files. First of all, log into your cPanel and then click on this search tools box and type here cache. And here you will find this Lightspeed Web Cache Manager. All you have to need, click on that. And here we can see Lightspeed Web Cache Manager dashboard. Here, to flash all of your cPanel cache files, click on Flash All under Flash ls cache. Click on OK. And this will clear your entire cPanel cache files. And here, you can also clear your WordPress website cache file by clicking on WordPress cache. And here, click on Flush Cache. Click on OK to delete your WordPress website cache files. So that's how you can do it. Thanks for watching.